Hello, and thank you for choosing the Legacy Lawyers as your source of information. We know this might be a difficult time you are going through, but we are here to educate you and help you through the process. Please stay tuned for our question and answer portion.
Good morning, Erin.
Good morning, David. How was your weekend?
It was very nice. It was Easter weekend.
Yes.
So got to see family.
That's always good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for the past few weeks we've been talking about trust and trust disputes. So this week we're going to go over some scenarios that involve trusts. Okay, so the first one is, my father recently passed away, and when I asked my sister for a copy of my father's trust, she said I was not a beneficiary. How do I verify if I am a beneficiary?
Okay, so we're dealing with two siblings. They are both the natural children of the father. So even though one sibling is telling the other one that they're not an interested party in the trust, that person who has been claimed to have been disinherited is still entitled to a copy of the trust. So the person asking the question would serve a written demand for a copy of the trust and set a timeline, and it'll be helpful to have an attorney do it because the attorney can cite the law, which shows that the requesting person is entitled to a copy, and it creates a sort of, for audit trail purposes, a proof that a written demand was given. And if that demand is not complied with, then the requesting beneficiary can file a petition with the probate court to compel the trustee to turn over a full copy of the trust. And they can serve that order upon the uncooperative sister, and she is bound by law to comply with the order. Otherwise, she'll be liable for contempt of court, which is punishable not only by a fine, but also even, time in prison. So the probate court has this mechanism to push uncooperative people into turning over a copy of the trust. And by the way, the trustee of the trust, who I'm assuming is the only beneficiary, they're still under a duty to turn over copies of the trust to persons entitled to those copies, even if they're not receiving anything. And those trustees are liable for damages in the terms of attorney's fees for any damages which occur reasonably direct with the damages from their non-compliance. So let's just say you tell them, this is the probate code, I'm entitled to it, give it to me. They say, no, thank you. Go ahead and file your petition. You can recover the cost of those petitions out of their non-compliance.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And if you guys have any additional questions, feel free to email us at smm@thelegacylawyers.com. Have a great day.